Tired of sharing your Wi-Fi password with sticky notes and whispered secrets? There's a better way. Your Google Pixel has a hidden weapon, the Wi-Fi password QR code. This handy feature lets you share your password securely and easily with anyone, no matter what type of phone they have. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to share Wi-Fi password using a QR code on your Pixel. But before we unlock this magical solution, let's make sure the stage is set. Ensure that the Wi-Fi is turned on. After that, follow these steps. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Pixel phone. Within the settings, tap on Network and Internet to explore connectivity options. Navigate to the Internet section from the available menu. Identify and select the specific Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to and wish to share the password for. Once the network is chosen, locate and tap the share icon within the interface. Witness the emergence of a QR code on your screen, featuring the Wi-Fi password written in plain text below, ensuring a swift and secure sharing process. But wait, there's more. This QR code isn't just a one-trick pony. You can save it to your Pixel's gallery for future use, like when a new friend arrives. You can even share it directly through messaging apps or email. So, next time you face the Wi-Fi password conundrum, embrace the power of the Pixel's QR code. It's faster, more secure, and infinitely more satisfying than fumbling with text boxes. So go forth, spread the wireless joy, and revel in the effortless connection that QR code sharing brings. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.